in this video, I will show you how to create an email template and send it to your clients or contacts. In order to create the template, you first need to go to marketing and then from top, go to emails and then templates. You have multiple options, three options. Either you can create the template from the blank, or you can import it, or you can pick it from the existing template or start from the scratch. In this case, I'll be creating from the scratch or blank. Once I'm here, for example, that I want to write newsletter. So newsletter automation guru. Right now, just let me generate some sample text for newsletter in chat GPT. Okay, so I just provided some information. Let's see. Okay, now let's copy the subject, settings, and you know, you can also add the preview text, which would be the header of your email. In this case, I'm just leaving it. Save, and then, hey there, fellow business enthusiasts. You can also use the first name or last name here as well. So that's what I would be using. So let me copy that from scratch. By the way, you can also write directly from ChatGPT through here. It would just cost some 0.01, I mean some dollars. So that's why I just use it directly. So hey there, uh, you can write first name, right? Contact first name, and then we hope if I'll do introduction automation guru, just make where you need to make it bold, just make it bold, right? Imagine this. For example, I want to make it like this, that it should be in the middle, board, and then it's here, right? And insert sign up link. Now from here, for example, I want to insert the button. I will just cut everything from here, and then what I will do, I will add another section here because I want to insert the button link instead of adding the link, direct link, right? So here I would add button, and after that I will add the text again. So yeah, there are two sections now, and for the bottom one I will add a text, the remaining text, right? Cheers, your name, proud ambassador for automation. So your name could be either location owner name if you want to use it as a snapshot, uh, location name or location owner name. I mean, it doesn't matter. For example, location owner name. No, not URL, man. Values, account, owner, first name. Yep. So it would be Suleiman, proud ambassador for automation guru. Now we have it. Now here we want to insert this button here, right? In sign up link. So I will say button, drop it here, click here to subscribe now. And here you can just write app.automationguru.io or automationguru.io, where whatever your link of sign up is, right? You can obviously make the butter color change. You can make it beautiful. I mean, round, for example. If you want to just make it totally round, you can just do it. And a lot of adjustments you can make, right? So on top, if you want to insert the header, what you need to do is that you can just insert the image here, and you can also create the image using AI from GoHighLevel, by the way. So for example, let's see if I have my logo here, how would it look? Mm, okay, so on top I can add the logo here as well. But just a suggestion that the image should not be on top for the email. I'm talking from my experience that if the image is on top, it is more likely that email will go to spam. So always the email should start with something like normal text, and then you can add the image, for example something like this on top. No, not here. On top, a little text, and then the image if you want to add the image. So that's how I created a little newsletter or email template. If you want to change some colors, for example, if you want to change the background color for this section, you can also do that by going to uh, this is the whole section right now. For example, for this button I just created a separate section, right? So let me see. There you go. I selected the section, and then if I want to make it black, right? So that's how you can also change the color of the section, or you can just change the paddings, margin, a lot of things. So if I make it preview, that's how it will look like in all the formats. I didn't save the button. Yeah, there you go. So desktop view, tablet view, mobile view, right? So that's how you create the template. Now, once the template is created, it's time to send it to the clients. So how would I send it to the customers? This is the name of the template I created. Now, another important thing is uh, just write from and to from email and from name. So once it is done, now you can go back and go to your contacts and select all the contacts, for example, and you can click on, you can select all of them as well, and then click on send email. Okay, proceed. Search for the template, newsletter automation guru. It will automatically bring all the subject and everything. And then there are three options here. If you want to schedule a send all at once, just do it. Here, it is just for us. This action is for us to remember why we send this template. For example, newsletter, I can write something like newsletter 07/01/2023, right? So that would be for me in the bulk action. It will just remind me, right? If you want to schedule this for some date, you can also schedule it, and you can start the date and time from here. The most important thing, the drip mode. If you want to send it drip mode, you need to select it here. Now drip mode is important. If you have a lot of contacts, thousands of them, I will highly suggest you to send in drip mode. Even now, if you're sending it first time, do not even cross 100 emails per day. I will say start with 100 emails and then go for 200 or 150, and then 300, 450, 500, 1000, 1500, and keep increasing gradually. It is just a safer way to send the email. So for in drip mode, even now, if the domain is warmed up and you have sent a lot of emails, Now even sometimes you want to send in drip mode. So in drip mode, for example, I have 10,000 contacts. What I can say is that send 1,000 emails, repeat after each hour. That way we will make our domain secure, right? And sending to the domain, and then from here select the date and time when you want it to start, and once you're done, just click on send email. That's it. And another option, if you want to if you want it to stop between a few hours and start within few hours, you can select the date and time from here. For example, from here you can search 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. So that's how you do it. Thank you.